In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buffer time to your calendar using Calendly. Buffer time can greatly enhance the flow of your schedule by giving you breathing room between meetings, and today I'll show you how to add this feature in just a few simple steps. First, let's navigate to Calendly by opening your web browser and typing in calendly.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for today, let's focus on those of you who need to log in. If you're on the login page, simply enter your email address and then click continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and do that, followed by clicking the continue button to access your account. Once you're logged into your Calendly account, you're going to be on the home page. The next step is to look for the settings icon. This will typically look like a little gear or cog icon in the corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a menu where you can go ahead and select Edit. From there, keep an eye out for an option labelled More Options. Yes, that's the one you need to click on next. This will lead you to a page where you'll find limits and buffers. This section is crucial because it's where you'll set the buffer time for your events. You can choose to set buffer times before and or after your events. This gives you some leeway to prepare for your appointments or take a break afterward. After making these choices, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure all your settings are updated. Once you've finished with Calendly, it's time to move over to your calendar to see these changes in action. Head over to whatever calendar you use regularly, like Google Calendar. Open it up and look for an existing event. Clicking on the event will display the details, and you'll need to select the pencil icon, which stands for editing mode. Scroll down the event details until you find the notification settings section. Here you can adjust the notification options according to your preference. Most importantly, make sure to set the status to busy. This setting helps ensure that no other appointments can be scheduled during the buffer time you set earlier, providing you with that much needed downtime. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to confirm these changes to your calendar event. And there you go. You've successfully added buffer time to your schedule in just a few simple steps. Buffer time can really make a difference in your productivity and overall well-being by allowing you time to breathe, reflect, and prepare for whatever comes next. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, enjoy your newly organized schedule.